All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through. Okay, we got a good little word problem here about baseball. Reds are clawing their way back into the pennant race. And this is what it's saying in this question. The height of a batted ball is modeled by this function. So it's like this. Okay? Because it's a parabola. It's a very, very wide parabola. And that tells me that this ball was probably hit from 3 feet off the ground, because if you put in a 0 for x, you get a 3. It's asking what's the maximum height. Okay? So, let's put this in. Negative 0.01 x squared plus 1.22x plus 3. And let's graph it. Alright, so now that's probably not the best way to zoom in and watch it. And when you asked before, you didn't have, this is not what your graph looked like, so you typed it in wrong. Okay? So let's go zoom. What would you do here, Mr. Crow? Would you go zoom out or zoom fit?
That was zoom fit when we did it, what you had. So I was either zoom out, or I would just know that I need to go a lot farther to the right, so I'd make my X max 200, 300.
So I'm just going to zoom out. And you might have to do this a couple times. 3, and then you have to hit enter. And we're trying to find the maximum height of the ball, and it doesn't look like we've seen it yet, so I'm going to go zoom, 3, enter, one more time. And now we got it in a window that we can find that spot right there, the highest spot. Now how are we going to do that? You're going to calculate, so that blue button, so second, trace, and we want the maximum, number 4. Get to the left of the answer. Laggy. Come on. Hit enter. And hit to the right of the answer. Come on now. Come on. Come on. We've got to get all the way past the highest point, so I got to keep going. Now it's starting to go down. Hit enter, and it says, would you like for me to take a guess? Yes, I would. Hit enter to let it take a guess. And the maximum point is 61, 40.21. So this point is 61.0, 40.21. Okay, so what was the maximum height? Well, h is the y. So the maximum height is 40.21 feet. So this is kind of a line drive as far as baseballs go. Like 40 feet is not a really high hit. At what distance from the batter will the ball hit the ground? Oh, well, shucks. Now I got to calculate my 0 there. Okay? So I'm going to go second, calculate. Now I want to calculate my 0. It doesn't like me to hold this down. I can't hold it down, so I got to keep pressing it. Get to the left of the 0 and hit enter. Get to the right of where it hits the 0 and hit enter. Would you like for me to take a guess in between there? 124.41, 0. So that means this ball traveled 124.41 feet before it hit the ground. Maybe right over the second baseman's head for a hit. We just need more hits today, Carson. Let's keep this winning streak going. Start hitting. Joey Votto hit another homer last night. Boom!